Yeah, you ought to know. Hey, Cynthia, you want to go out with me?
Get lost, Bird.
Hey, Jay, wait up. Can I borrow your key? I lost mine again.
Hey, I need it back. Thanks to admissions for finding me a roomie like you. 3 keys in 3 months.
Look, I got a date, okay? All right.
Really?
Yeah, can I borrow a 10?
Date with who?
Cynthia?
Only in your fantasies, Bird.
Good luck. Hey, 4 is all I got.
4, thanks. What time are you coming home?
I don't know, Ma.
Oh, you've been a bad boy. Got to stay after school with teachers.
Hey, she just needs me to do some work for her.
Oh,
you guys are
yeah,
imagining
right,
things.
right.
Have a little class, guys.
Yeah, a little piece of class.
Hey, knock it off. See you later, guys.
Hey, I bet he's gonna work real hard.
Come on, can we get the hell out of here?
With our fellow men who are in need, and to give it to whomever. There is a stairway I see now. God help us. This epitome of this moment. Do you understand? My sister.
Come on.
Michael.
Cynthia, it's over between you and Jay. Why do you keep running after him?
Yeah, just because you got it on with him doesn't mean you own him.
Hey, I'm still available.
Something's bugging him.
Yeah, he's screwing his teacher.
Hey, would you give the guy a break, okay?
Oh, bitch, I really got news for her.
Guys, hate to break up the party, but it's starting to rain and I'm starving to death.
Oh, well, I've got a doctor's
Hey,
appointment.
I thought we were going to my place to study.
Let's go
No,
then.
no, no. We're going to the pub. I got to eat a pizza.
So, catch you later. I got to fly. So I am pissed. I canceled the date for nothing.
What date? Hey, you know, I know Cynthia, and she's not going to show up.
Yeah, me too. Call me when you find her.
Come on, man.
No, see you later. This bird's got a flag of peace.
I want some company on those lonely nights. I need you. I want you. I need you.
Nothing. Thank you. I'm glad you're not my doctor. Oh, it's so nice to know that somebody loves me.
Nice.
Oh, I canceled to go study at Janice's.
So what happened?
Cynthia never showed up. You see, she has got all the answers to the tests, so they had to... Look, Jay, I gotta tell you, you know, she is gonna cause you and Diane all kinds of problems.
Fight.
Lonely are the days when I'm down.
I wouldn't see her if I were you.
She needs me.
Yeah? Well, her husband is bad news. You know, your little hormones are going... Okay, whatever you say. Look, I'm out of here.
It's hard to get on up and try again. And I think of you.
Oh, hey, Jeff, you know where the Stevens mansion... Well, you know how the guys were supposed to go there to find Cynthia? Well, they were supposed to call me whenever they got to Janice's. They haven't called me. Okay. See you later, Romeo. You got it.
Knowing you're there.
Where have you been?
The doctor told me my disease is terminal, Mr. Johnson.
Where's your mother and grandmother? What did you do to them?
She didn't tell me I was dying because it's her fault. But I don't think you have to worry about her anymore.
You killed them. You fool, your mother was going to change her will and leave her money to you.
What's your
Man.
What would I do with the money? Have a nicer funeral? No, I think you're the one who cares about the money.
Put it down, Martin. Hand it over.
You don't want me. Nobody wants me. You want the money.
Dad.
You knew I was going to die, didn't you?
Martin, open the door.
You want to catch me? Mother told me that if you and Michael found out about me, you'd want to get rid of me. And now, I'm going to get rid of you. Promise to play with me.
Dog must have seen him. He's got to be why he's barking.
Thank you.